Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to another episode of Keegan's Kitchen. And for today's recipe, I'll be showing you how to make this amazing oven roasted jerk pork recipe. All right, stay tuned. All right, so we're gonna add some all-purpose seasoning. Add some complete seasoning. A little bit of garlic powder. Some chili powder. Onion powder. Scotch bonnet pepper. A little bit of chicken seasoning. Just a tad of cinnamon powder. A little tad of nutmeg powder. Some black pepper. You want to add your thyme. Some scallion. And we're also going to add some jerk seasoning, hot and spicy, Walker's Wood. All right. So we're just going to add about a tablespoon. Yeah. All right, that's good. Then we're going to add some browning. Just a little bit of browning, not too much. You know. All right, I think that's good. It's about 4 tablespoons. And I'm also gonna add my pimento seasoning. You can't have jerk pork without your pimento, you know? So always add your pimento seasoning. After we add all these beautiful ingredients together, then we're just gonna mix, you know? Make sure say the pork is fully covered and seasoned, you know, perfectly. Now we're just gonna marinate this overnight for the best results. You know, if you don't have the time, then just go ahead and continue watching the video and I'll show you how it's done. So you want to make sure that your cast iron skillet is super hot. Then you're gonna add your pork. And we're just gonna sear this for about 1 minute on each side, flip it over, you know, and then toss it in the oven. So after searing my pork for about 2 minutes, this is what it's looking like. It's nice and crispy on the outside, all right? So now I'm just gonna add about 2 cups of water to my seasoning, you know, that we used to season the pork earlier. All right, stir it around. Now we're just gonna pour this mixture right on top of the pork. So after you finish adding your liquid, you want to roast your pork for about 45 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, now so after about 25 minutes or so, you want to remove your pork from the oven. You know, add some red stripe beer to the first side. You're gonna flip it over. After you flip it over, then you want to add some more red stripe. So you're basically gonna add the entire bottle of red stripe beer, you know, to this baking pan right here, and then toss it back in for about another 20 minutes. You know, you might have to add a little bit more liquid, maybe some water to it, you know, depending on how fast, you know, the liquid evaporate. So just keep an eye on it. But after about a total time of 40 to 45 minutes, it should be good to go. All right, guys, so after about 45 minutes to an hour, this is what, you know, the jerk pork, you know, should look like. All right, so we're just gonna top it off with a little bit of homemade, you know, jerk sauce. You know, this is a personal preference thing. If you want to add hot sauce to it, go ahead. Ketchup, go ahead. You know, but I prefer to use this nice, you know, homemade sauce. All right. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes.